Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see one more feature in Excel, that is print area. Let us see how this feature works. Today I want to take a printout of this much amount of data, that is from serial number till total. In the worksheet the actual amount of data is larger than what we want to take the printout of. So let us check what is at present coming as a print thing. Say Control P is the shortcut for taking the printout. You can see that in the preview the printout is of the total data which is present in that worksheet. So how we can do the printout of only that much amount of data? So for that, first thing we need to do is select that area. So we have selected this area. After selection you need to go to page layout tab, and in page layout tab within page setup commands you have to select on print area and click on set print area. Now if we do Control P, you will see the amount of data which is going to get printed is the one which we have selected. It's very simple. Select the data, go to page layout tab, print area and set print area. Hope the print area feature was clear to you. Thanks for watching the video.